This is me. This is me more recently. I've grown up to enjoy the back roads and to share the same experiences with my family that I loved as a little kid. The pureness of reaching places like this one and sharing it with you so you can enjoy it with your friends or family. But it comes at a cost that I can't ignore. So for this trip, we've packed some firewood and brought you to another great spot. But we're going to have to talk about it when we get there. Let's get right into it. We hit the first water crossing. For our rigs, there's a couple of things we had to be careful of. Some of the tall rocks have potential to cause some damage to our undercarriage. The key is to keep the tires on high spots. Easier said than done. When crossing water, ensure that you cross as quickly as possible without disturbing the habitat as much as possible. The trail got real tight, and we definitely added to our pinstripes. Tough luck. A loose rock had rolled and wedged itself under the hitch, lifting the rear end and forcing the Lost Boy to lose traction.
The winch is hitting, the hitch.
This is a minor example of why you should never travel alone. And a major example of what friends are for. The next water crossing was quite a bit more challenging. We had to go back a couple days later, and there is now a boulder in the middle, making it even more challenging. Again, the same rules apply. Keep your tires up high, cross as quickly as possible without disturbing the habitat as much as possible. This is where things start turning. It was very exciting seeing our destination through the breaks in the trees. But as you can see, something is off. This is the part where I show you cinematic images of the beautiful place we call home. And we did our best to only show you the good. But here is a knife, face up on some planks that looks like it was designed for children to play on. One of our members picked up 4 bags of trash from this area. I didn't help. I was in shock. Let's fast forward to the campfire. Our last video sparked a strong conversation. People were passionately concerned about YouTubers blowing up spots and worried that they would be ruined. However, we are not bad people, and we have only met good people on the trails. Many of them cleaning up messes that are left behind by others. The truth is, the damage is being done by a small group of people that do it when no one is around. And those people are not just on the back roads, they're everywhere. More population means more people doing everything. Bringing light to the beauty of the outdoors, the fun, the enjoyment with friends and family, will get more of us out on the trails and deter more of them. We don't name places in our videos unless there's signs to get there. So you won't know where these places are unless you've been there already. But when you do find yourself in a spot you've seen in a video, please be mindful. Respect the wilderness. Put out your fires, and please pack out what you pack in. All worked up and concerned about my 7-year-old, I got distracted and forgot about the knife. We went back a couple days later, and I'm happy to report the place had been all cleaned up. The knife had been removed. The whole point of these videos is to show you where you can go. And to enjoy the true beauty of the wilderness, we need to protect, even if it's from the comfort of your own home, so that we can share it with the ones we care for. And until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.